I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding easily at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having a medium saucepan and a whisk on hand will make the process smooth. This recipe is perfect for a quick dessert and serves about 4 people. Now let's get cooking. In your medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch until well combined. This prevents lumps later. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of milk, stirring continuously with your whisk until the mixture is smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly, for about 5 to 7 minutes until the pudding thickens nicely. Once your pudding has thickened, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to infuse that wonderful flavor. Carefully pour the warm pudding into your chosen individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. For the best texture and taste, cover the dishes and chill the pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. To elevate your homemade pudding, consider adding fun toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dollop of whipped cream are fantastic choices. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays delicious for up to 3 days. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your easy homemade pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.